with another Valentine's Day video for you guys, and we're gonna be doing a recipe. What are we making today? Hot chocolate bombs, and they're gonna be in the shape of a heart, and they're actually gonna make pink hot chocolate. So I found this really cool pink hot chocolate mix, which I will link below for you guys. And it's essentially just white chocolate with, I guess, pink food coloring in it. And it makes your hot chocolate pink. So it inspired us to make our pink hot chocolate Valentine's Day bombs today. So we're gonna go ahead. Yeah, we're gonna make all of this. Thank you guys. Okay, so we're gonna get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need a silicone heart mold, 1 cup of white chocolate, a couple of pink chocolate melts, some pink hot chocolate mix, and some sprinkles and marshmallows of your choice. And I will link all of these down below in the description. So here I have about 1 cup of white chocolate, and this is what we're gonna start with. And now I'm gonna add just a couple of pink chocolate melts so that my hearts are light pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop this into the microwave at about 20 seconds at a time until it's completely melted. What are you guys doing? Chocolate's melted. Hold on, you can't eat it yet. You want to stir the chocolate until the color is nice and solid and you don't have any streaks. Okay, so we're going to be using these heart-shaped silicone molds, and we're going to be filling our pink chocolate inside, and this is really, really quick. It only takes a couple of seconds to do. You ready? So I will leave the exact size of my silicone molds in the description down below, but I'm using basically about a tablespoon of my white chocolate mixture inside each of the molds. And I'm using the back of the spoon to kind of spread it out, make sure it's nice and even. And you want to work fairly quickly here because you want the chocolate to spread evenly in the mold before it starts to set. Remember, this does set fairly quickly, so just don't try to take any breaks and just keep moving until it's done. Raya gets the spoon.
Let's share the bowl.
You guys get the bowl.
What?
Eat it, Raya, lick. So once our mold is full, while it's still hot, you want to flip it over and get a lot of the excess chocolate out. So, what? You better not put your hands in that sprinkles. Say. So I'm just grabbing a cutting board and I'm flipping my mold upside down onto the cutting board, and you just want to leave it alone for a few minutes and just let that excess chocolate just kind of drip down, and then take the back of a knife and just give it a clean swipe just so that we know the edges are going to be nice and sharp and clean. And then now you just want to kind of let it hang out until it sets. Okay guys, so now we just need the chocolate to set. So I popped it into the refrigerator because we're super impatient, but it honestly doesn't take that long to set. So we'll see you guys back in just a couple of minutes. And then what are we gonna do? It's gonna explode. So while our molds were setting, I decided to tidy up a little bit, and the kids decided to help themselves to all of our fillings for our hot chocolate molds. We barely had anything left to put inside by the time they were done. Zay, what's in your mouth? Let me check.
It's a pink marshmallow.
What's in your mouth? What did you eat? Let me see your mouth. What did you eat?
Marshmallow.
So while that sets, I'm gonna give you guys a little demonstration on this pink hot chocolate. So when it comes out of the box, it looks white, like this. Zay, look, is that white?
Yeah.
And that doesn't look like it's gonna turn pink, right? So I'll show you guys with a tiny bit of the hot chocolate mix. I'm just gonna add a splash of milk, and you can see it instantly turns pink. How cool is that? I've never seen anything like it. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Is that cool? You wanna taste some? Okay, go ahead, you guys can have a sippy. Tell me how it tastes. I think it smells like hot chocolate. What's it taste like? What's it taste like? Does it taste like chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? I want to taste it too, Zay. Let me taste it.
Yummy. I want more. It tastes so good.
It tastes exactly like hot chocolate, just a lot sweeter. What is this? Okay, so it's all done now. We're going to pop it out of the mold, okay? We have to be very careful. Does that look cool, Raya?
Looks so cool. I cannot wait to decorate it.
So you guys can see it pops right out of the silicone mold, and it's very flexible. It's nice and easy, so it shouldn't crack your hearts at all. So pretty.
Whoa!
Bells. 2 of these hearts make 1 hot chocolate bomb, okay? So you're gonna take 1 and lay it flat, and you're gonna take 1 and lay it upside down, and we're only gonna fill 1/2, okay? So in 1/2 of my mold, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the hot chocolate mix, some marshmallows, and a bunch of sprinkles just to make it look nice and Valentine's-y. And we're gonna do this for each half. So Aliana's gonna fill 1 and Zay's gonna fill 1, okay? Pop in some sprinkles. Here, go ahead.
I did.
You did it! High five!
Mom.
Gigenia,
Wow.
good job. Oh! Zay, you can't fill the whole thing. That is a lot of sprinkles there, buddy.
This is so fun.
Zay, why do you always have to be a booth? Okay, so I just microwaved a plate so it's nice and warm, and this is what we're gonna use to assemble our hot chocolate halves together. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Don't touch. I don't want
Microwave
it
a
to
plate. Daddy, why would you microwave a plate? Are you gonna eat the plate?
Okay, so we're gonna take our half that's full, and then we're gonna take our half that's not full. And our half that's not full, we're gonna put it on the hot plate so that it melts a little bit. All right, and then as soon as it starts to melt, we can attach it to the other one. Is that cool? So now it's gonna work like glue, and we can just attach it together.
And a chocolate bomb.
Yeah, now we have a chocolate bomb. So we're gonna take our half that's hollow and empty, and we're gonna put it on the hot plate upside down just so the edges melt very slightly. You don't wanna over melt this. And just when the edges are nice and sticky, you're gonna attach it to your other half that's nice and full. Do not push down too hard or else your whole bomb will crack.
Whoa, that's so cool, so cool, so cool. Do not break the heart.
Don't break the heart, got it. And then what I like to do is take some of the chocolate from the melted plate and use it like glue on the side just to kind of really seal your hot chocolate bombs. It's not time to eat them, we're actually making them. Okay, you little chunk. So if you have any gaps in your hearts, just use this excess chocolate to kind of fill them in.
Huh?
So to decorate them, I'm just using some colored decorations. They're all edible, and I'm using them as glue to kind of stick on my sprinkles. You can honestly use anything for this. This is just what I had laying around the house, so this is what I went with. But it turned out looking really, really pretty, and don't overthink it. Honestly, just have fun with it. I feel like the more whimsical they look, the cuter they end up looking. So don't take it too seriously.
Mom, can we eat it?
We're gonna put it into a cup, and it's gonna explode when we put hot milk on it. Do you guys want to see it happen?
But Mama, could we drink it?
Yeah, you can drink the whole cup. Okay, so for the moment of truth, now I'm just placing the chocolate bomb in the bottom of a cup, and then I'm very slowly pouring some hot milk on top. You want to do this slowly so that you can actually see the hot chocolate bomb kind of unassemble itself and kind of explode. If you pour it too fast, you just kind of have to wait for it to explode, whereas this way you can actually see it unravel. And give it a nice stir, and voila, we have our hot pink chocolate. And I'm just putting a few pink marshmallows on top just to go with our Valentine's Day theme, and we're done. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You're already running away. It's not gonna explode on you. It's not gonna explode, it's just gonna melt. Are you running away?
Good.
See? It exploded.
Next is
See
me.
it?
Whoa. Open it up and the bomb. Is it hot?
It's hot chocolate.
It's hot?
There it goes. Yours exploded.
Wow!
Here. How's it taste, guys?
Good.
Good? Do I get a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys are gonna be on such a sugar high after this. Cheers! Cheers, guys. Rhea, you wanna sip? All right, guys, as always, I will be linking all of the ingredients that we used in today's recipe down below in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave us some love in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And as always, we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.